How to log in Netflix on phone. Let's get started. You can use the web version or also you can download the Netflix app. If you want to use the web version, you can head over to any of the browser, then type in netflix.com and search for it. With that, you'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. Type in the email or mobile number and the password, and after you provide the details, click on sign in. With that, you'll be logged into your account. Or also you can use the app. You just have to launch the app. You can get this app easily from the App Store or Play Store. Now click on the option of sign in given at the bottom. Now provide the details. After you provide the details, click on sign in. And with that, you'll be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily log in Netflix on iPhone. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.